Hi everyone, this is Steve from Juggled Up. Today I wanted to do this quick video on the UV Smoothie Juggling Balls by Juggle Dream. I like to do these videos so that you can really get a good look at these juggling balls in a video rather than just pictures before you decide to buy them. And these juggling balls are great for beginners using 3 balls, and they weigh 120 grams and they're 65 millimeters in diameter and filled with millet. Their feel is very smooth, hence the name the smoothie balls. They have a smooth feel on the outside, and they're also firmly packed, so they're not underfilled. They'll feel firmly packed, and over time from juggling they'll break in and loosen up. The colors right now we have are UV reactive orange, UV reactive green, and UV reactive blue. And that's one of their special features, is that they do react to UV light. So go ahead on over to juggledup.com and check out the UV Smoothie Juggling Balls by Juggle Dream today.